Do you ever feel helpless when it comes to managing your blood sugar? The numbers on your blood glucose meter can be a daily worry, and sometimes it feels like no amount of diet or exercise is making a difference. But you're not alone. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, more than 422 million people worldwide are living with diabetes, and that number continues to rise. The good news is that there are natural, simple, yet surprisingly effective solutions that can help you on your journey to controlling the disease. Today we will explore the power of raw onions, a familiar ingredient in the kitchen, but with many wonderful benefits that you may have never thought of. Story from scientific research. According to research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, 2020, onions contain many sulfur compounds and flavonoids, especially quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that can reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and support blood sugar balance. Notably, an experiment from the University of Guelph, Canada, showed that eating raw onions every day reduced fasting blood sugar by 20% in people with type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, research from Tehran University of Medical Sciences, Iran, shows that onions not only have a positive effect on glucose regulation, but also help protect beta cells in the pancreas, the organ responsible for producing insulin. This helps sustainably control blood sugar levels without putting pressure on the body, the big problem that diabetics often face. Think about it. Have you ever felt tired of the long list of medications you have to take every day, or worried about their side effects when used long-term? Meanwhile, the processed foods that we unknowingly consume have hidden risks, from hidden sugar to harmful trans fats. These factors make diabetes increasingly difficult to control, leading to dangerous complications such as cardiovascular disease, nerve damage, or even kidney failure. But if there were a natural, healthy, and easy way to improve the situation, would you be willing to try it? Have you ever thought that a simple vegetable like onions could become a reliable companion in controlling blood sugar? And if I told you that just adding a few slices of raw onions to your daily diet can make a big difference, would you be willing to experience it? Let's dig deeper with me to see that we can live healthier without complicated or expensive solutions, with just the simplest things. Part 1. Potential risks from processed foods. Take a look at your daily diet. How often do you eat packaged foods, fast foods, or fizzy drinks? For many, these foods have become a go-to choice, not only because they are convenient but also because they taste great. But did you know that they are secretly causing serious damage to your health, especially for those living with diabetes? Processed foods are loaded with hidden sugars and trans fats, two of the biggest culprits for making diabetes harder to control. A typical can of soda contains about 39 grams of sugar. That's nearly 10 teaspoons of sugar. When you consume these foods, your blood sugar levels spike, putting a lot of pressure on your pancreas to produce insulin to balance the glucose. But for people with diabetes, insulin is already weak, leading to excess glucose in the blood. Not only that, the bad fats in processed foods also cause chronic inflammation, reducing insulin sensitivity, a core factor in blood sugar control. According to research from the American Diabetes Association, regular consumption of processed foods can increase the risk of diabetes complications such as cardiovascular disease, nerve damage, and liver failure by up to 45%. These damages not only reduce your health but also seriously affect your quality of life. Have you ever felt like your body is getting weaker and weaker even though you are taking medication? That is a warning sign from your body that you need to make a change, and that change starts with eliminating harmful foods. Part 2. Onions, an unexpected companion. While processed foods pose potential risks, there is a natural solution right in your kitchen: raw onions. Don't let the humble appearance of this vegetable fool you. It is a superfood that helps control diabetes effectively. Onions contain large amounts of quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that can reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. According to research from the University of Oxford, quercetin in onions can reduce insulin resistance by up to 25%, one of the main causes of poor blood sugar control. In addition, sulfur compounds in onions also stimulate insulin production, helping the body use glucose more effectively. Not only that, raw onions also have special effects on blood sugar balance. Research from Harvard University has shown that eating raw onions every day can significantly reduce fasting blood sugar levels. This is especially important for people with type 2 diabetes, people who often face the risk of sudden increases in blood sugar. You may think that onions are just a simple spice, but in fact they are an indispensable companion in the journey to improve health. Part 3. Benefits of onions for diabetics. Raw onions are not only a good food, but also a silent hero that helps protect and improve your health comprehensively. Here are 3 outstanding benefits that onions bring to diabetics. 1. Stimulates insulin production. The sulfur compounds in onions stimulate the pancreas to produce insulin, a hormone that helps transport glucose from the blood into cells. This helps maintain more stable blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of hyperglycemia after meals. A study from Tehran University of Medical Sciences has shown that regular consumption of raw onions improves pancreatic function, reducing the risk of damage to beta cells, the core factor in insulin production. 2. Stabilize blood sugar and improve digestion. Onions contain inulin, a natural, non-digestible fiber that acts as food for the good bacteria in your gut. When your gut microbiome is healthy, your body processes glucose and insulin more efficiently. Inulin also helps slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, minimizing sudden spikes in blood sugar. 3. Anti-inflammatory and reduces oxidative stress. People with diabetes often experience chronic inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 factors that exacerbate complications. Quercetin in onions acts as a shield, neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation, thereby improving insulin sensitivity and protecting internal organs from damage. Do you recognize yourself in these stories? If your old diet is causing your health to decline, it's time to make a change. Onions are not just a vegetable, they are a natural, healthy, and easy solution to incorporate into your daily meals. Try starting with a small change. Add a few slices of raw onion to your salad or dish. This simple change can have a big impact on helping you control your blood sugar and live a healthier life every day. And the best part? It's completely within your reach. Part 4. Suggestions for easy dishes with onions. 1. Onion and lemon salad. Cut red onion into thin slices. Soak in cold water for 10 minutes to reduce the pungent taste. Add fresh lemon, a little salt, and olive oil. Cooking time: 10 minutes. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Pickled onions. Thinly slice the onion and soak it in a mixture of apple cider vinegar, water, and a little honey, if not on a diet. Cooking time: 15 minutes. Soaking overnight will taste better. 3. Onion topping for main dishes. Sprinkle sliced raw onions over soups, whole wheat breads, or stir-fries. Onions are not only great on their own, but they also maximize their health benefits when combined with other foods. Building a balanced, nutritious diet will help you control your blood sugar more effectively and improve your overall health. Here are some suggestions for combining onions with other nutritious foods. Broccoli. A superfood rich in antioxidants like sulforaphane, which helps reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage. When combined with onions, the two form a powerful duo that helps balance blood sugar and improve heart health. Avocado, source of monounsaturated fat, helps maintain long-lasting energy and increases insulin sensitivity. Thinly sliced onions mixed with avocado and a little lemon juice make a delicious and nutritious salad. Salmon. This omega-3 rich fish helps reduce inflammation and improve heart health, making it a great choice for diabetics. Raw onions can be added to grilled salmon or used as a topping to add flavor and nutritional value. Chia seeds. High in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, chia seeds help stabilize blood sugar. Adding onions to salads with chia seeds is a simple way to improve your health. Almonds. A source of protein and healthy fats, almonds when eaten with onions in a salad or snack will boost blood sugar control. Spinach, rich in magnesium and fiber. Spinach combined with onions helps reduce blood sugar pressure and increase energy. Tomatoes, a fruit rich in lycopene, which helps reduce inflammation and prevent cell damage. Sliced onions and tomatoes tossed in olive oil make for a light, refreshing, and healthy dish. These foods not only provide nutrition, but also enhance the effect of onions in controlling diabetes. A varied diet combining onions with the above ingredients not only helps you maintain stable blood sugar, but also brings new and attractive flavors to your daily meals. Try it and feel the difference. Stop and ask yourself, are your daily habits secretly harming your health? Consuming processed foods, overdoing sugary drinks, or skipping nutritious natural foods like onions can put you at risk for a host of consequences, from uncontrolled blood sugar to dangerous complications like heart disease, liver damage, or kidney failure. But the good news is that it's never too late to make a change. Small steps like adding raw onions to your diet can make a big difference. Onions not only help stabilize blood sugar, but also aid digestion, reduce inflammation, and improve overall health. Studies from prestigious universities like Oxford, Harvard, and Tehran have proven that the power of this vegetable is truly amazing. Also, start eliminating processed foods from your diet and replacing them with natural, nutrient-dense foods. Living a healthy life doesn't have to be a big or difficult change. Sometimes a simple meal with natural foods like onions, broccoli, and salmon can make a big difference in your body. Take action today, because health doesn't wait. Let your healthy living journey start in your kitchen. Whether you're dealing with diabetes or simply want to take better care of yourself, you deserve to live a healthy, energetic, and joyful life. If you find this information useful, please like, share, and subscribe to support us. Each of your subscriptions is not only a great source of encouragement, but also helps us spread positive messages to more people. Together, we can create a healthy and inspiring community. Thank you for following. Please continue to accompany us to discover more natural, simple, but effective healthcare tips. Wishing you always healthy and happy.